chance here. They're appealing, but he's onside. What an opportunity, and he hits it. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. Interception. Lovely passing here. What a well-timed tackle. Striker's ball. Quality defending there. It's Pereira. Oh, he did really well there. Great chance here. Shoots! And this is a world-class finish. Let's have a look at that one again. It's 2-0. Played wide. What a chance! And there's the shot. Oh, nice finish there. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal. It's 2-1 now. The defender's back on the ball. That's good link-up play. Played in field. That's nicely played. Can they make it count? That's good link-up play. It's with the striker. Smith! Oh, good catch by the keeper. Keeper sends it long. And he's won it back for his team. Here's Pereira. Tackle. Passed inside. Good defending. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. He shoots. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Great first half here, some fantastic goals, some positive words from the manager, and we'll be back out. go then, the second half, another 45 minutes to enjoy. Defender then back on the ball. It's with the striker. Quality defending there. The defenders back on the ball. Here's Pereira. Great footwork there. Striker's ball. And with the defender now. Good defending. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, it's a clear chance. Foster, great stop. That's a goal kick. Referee very much in control of this game, and he hasn't had to show a card. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. That's good work by the defence, just offside. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. It's with the defender now. Passed well. Time tackle. They want to add to their lead here. Well timed and good defending. Oh, well timed. And with the defender now. Good ball. It's with the striker. Is this a goal? And he hits it. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. Let's see that one again. It's 3-1 now. Here's Pereira. Good defending. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Striker's ball. He's found an opening. Here's the shot, and this is a world-class finish. Let's see that one again. Are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. Here's Pereira. Striker's ball. And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they book themselves a place in the next stage of the competition. Performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match. Manager's playing a full 5-1 formation today. we're off. Which way will this game go? And he's won it back for his team. Just the goalkeeper to beat now. Pulls the trigger. So close to a goal now. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. The weather conditions are absolutely perfect. We could be in for a real treat today. And with the defender now. Oh, well timed. Well cut out. What a well-timed tackle. Good clearance there. That's good link-up play. Striker's ball. It's with the strike. Shoots! And it was close to missing, but the woodwork was on his side. And here's a build-up to that great goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Great dribbling. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Striker's ball. It's with the striker. Player's not happy with that decision, but he did seem to stray slightly offside. Oh, determined challenge there. It's with the striker. Striker's ball. Shoots! He got a good hand behind that. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Let's see what comes of this then. Whipped in. Gets the header in. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Referee calls play back for an offside. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Oh, well timed. It's with the striker. Striker's ball. Just the keeper to beat. The keeper's blocked that one. Quality goal. There's even some applause from the opponent's fans. It's a world-class finish. What else can you say? Let's see that again. It's 2-0. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Shoots. He should have been on target. Let's see that one again. Keeper plays it short there. Smith, there's the whistle, it's half-time. Conference League game gets back underway. The defenders back on the ball. That's nicely played. Moving down the flanks here. Back to the goalkeeper. Well intercepted. It's with the defender now. Great technique. He must score, surely. Great pass. He goes for goal. And it's hard into the bottom corner. Let's take another look at that. It's 2-1 now. And he plays the ball back. He's cut it back inside. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Oh, this is good stuff. The defenders back on the ball. Winning. They need to defend well here. Oh, that's a foul. We'll feel that in the morning. Always sad to see a player go off injured. Hope he recovers soon. Great opportunity to score from this free kick. He should have done better from there, really. And that's a goal kick. The keeper plays it short there. Passed well. Back to the keeper. Smith. Good defending. Defender then back on the ball. Close lead here, but the losing team can still salvage a point as they look threatening on the attack. Oh, determined challenge there. Safety first. Back to the goalkeeper. The assistant kept his flag down. Is this a goal? Shoots. Good save. He slid for the ball, but missed. The referee blows his whistle, and it's full time. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match.